Chinese intrusion at three places in Ladakh. At each of these places, around 800 to 1000 Chinese soldiers have crossed over to the Indian side of the LAC. With tensions mounting along the line of actual control following the Pyongyang-So clash and detection of Chinese intrusion at three places in Galwan River area, Army Chief General M.M. Narawane landed Friday at the 14th Corps headquarters in Leh to review the situation in eastern Ladakh. The Army Chief's visit to the Corps headquarters came a day after Minister of External Affairs hit back at the Beijing over the LAC developments, saying it is the Chinese side that has recently undertaken activity hindering India's normal patrolling patterns, and we are deeply committed to ensuring India's sovereignty and security. There have been 5 meetings between the local military commanders of the two sides so far, but the situation along LAC of 80 km of frontage remains unresolved. At each of these places, around 800 to 1000 Chinese soldiers have crossed over to the Indian side of the LAC at a distance of around 2 to 3 kilometers. Tents have been pitched by the Chinese soldiers in the area, along with a fleet of heavy vehicles and monitoring equipments. Chinese helicopter movement along the LAC has also been monitored by the Indian side. Indian soldiers in equal numbers have been deployed in the area, separated by the distance of 300 to 400 meters from the Chinese. Technically, the two sides are not at the face-off. Movement of additional troops as part of the creation of reserve and contingency planning have also been initiated by the army. The motive of Chinese intrusion into Indian territory are not still clear. One view among the official circle is that it is triggered by the local factors such as creation of more infrastructure by Indians in the area close to LAC. Another view links it to more assertive China, which is intruding into sectors like hot springs where the perception of LAC has not been in a dispute. Most officials agree that situation at the LAC is unprecedented. In recent memory, with tensions running very high, they also suggest that a solution to the crisis will have to be found soon, since the changes in the status quo by the Chinese is not acceptable. The first 4 months of this year, according to official data, witnessed 170 Chinese transgressions, including 130 in Ladakh. There were only 110 such transgressions in Ladakh during the same period in 2019.